One major group is the arthropods, which are invertebrates with segmented bodies, jointed legs, and a hard outer covering known as exoskeletons. Insects, crustaceans, arachnids, centipedes, and millipedes are different subgroups of arthropods as shown in the graphic organizer.
The first one is insects. They have one pair of antennae, 3 pairs of legs, and 3 body segments. They have compound eyes. Most adults have 1 or 2 pairs of wings. They are the only invertebrates which can fly, make up about 90% of arthropods. These are the examples of invertebrates, arthropods. Next, arachnids do not have antennae, have 4 pairs of legs, have simple eyes. Most are carnivorous meat-eaters. Spiders, scorpions, ticks are the examples. Millipedes have 1 pair of antennae and simple eyes, have many legs and 2 pairs of legs on each body segment, feed on decaying matter. Millipede is the only example. Then next, centipedes have 1 pair of antennae and simple eyes, have many legs, each 1 pair of legs on each. And the last one is crustaceans, have 2 pairs of antennae, most have gills and live mainly in water, have compound eyes. These are the examples of crustaceans, crab, barnacles, and shrimp. Then that is all.
Invertebrates without jointed legs. Besides arthropods, there are several other groups of invertebrates, as shown in the graphic organizers below. Unlike arthropods, these invertebrates do not have jointed legs. Some of these animals are worm-like, while the others are not. Echinoderms. They have bumps or spines on their skin. They have organs but no heads. They have separated mouth and anus. They live in the sea. These are the few examples: sea urchin, starfish, and the sea cucumber. Flatworm. They have flat, unsegmented bodies. They have organs. Food and waste enter and exit through the same opening. One example of it is tapeworm. Next, we have roundworms. They have round, unsegmented bodies, have organs, and food enters through the mouth and waste comes out through a separate opening, the anus. They are the most microscopic creatures. Example is the hookworm head and the pinworm. Segmented worms. Bodies divided into segments, have organs, have separate mouth and anus. The examples are earthworm and leech. Sponges lack true organ, have many tiny spores through which water enters, live in water. Molluscs have soft bodies, usually protected by hard shells, have organs, have separate mouth and anus. Examples are snail, octopus, and giant clam. Cnidarians, they have lack true organs, have stinging tentacles to catch prey. They live in water. The 2 examples are coral and jellyfish.
Vertebrates have backbone, which provides support for their body. Fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals are vertebrates. The graphic organizer below shows their features. Body are covered with fur or hair. Young feed on milk produced by the mother's mammary glands. That is why they are known as mammals. Give birth to live young, with the exception of the spiny antennae and dark-billed blackbirds. which lay eggs. Warm-blooded, most live on land. Some examples of mammals are ape, kangaroo, platypus, bat, killer whale.
Tomorrow your teachers call you.
Fishes have tails and streamlined bodies to help them swim. Breathe through gills, have scales on the skin for protection. Cold-blooded, body temperature changes with the surrounding temperature. Most fishes lay eggs, live in water. Some examples of fishes are seahorse, shark, trout, ray, reptiles. Breathe through lungs, have dry scaly skin for protection. Cold-blooded, most lay eggs with leathery shells on land. The shells prevent the egg from dying. Some live on land and some live in water. Some examples of reptiles is lizard, crocodile, turtle, snake. Young have gills to help them breathe in water. Adults have lungs and moist skin to enable them to breathe on land. Cold-blooded, adults lay eggs in water, live on land and in water. Some examples of amphibian is salamander, frog, newts have beaks and wings. Most can fly. They are the only animals with feathers. Warm-blooded, body temperature does not change with the surrounding temperatures. Lay eggs with hard shell. Some examples of birds are owl. Thanks for watching.